Your wedding day should be your best day ever. Let's be real. Getting married shouldn't feel like a second job. Even with the best wedding planner in the world, you still can't expect a bunch of vendors to deliver your dream wedding when it's their first time working together. This traditional approach is why so many weddings go sideways. Not to mention over budget. There's a better way. With one call, you can have one vendor and one simple budget. Whether it's just two for an elopement, a single-day wedding, or an all-weekend experience, Zion Springs is your first and last stop. From yes to I do. One stop, one team, your best day ever. Zion Springs is Northern Virginia's only all-inclusive wedding venue. It's like having a destination wedding without leaving the country, where all your closest friends and family will join you for an experience you will never forget, where all your food, drinks, and stress are taken care of. A celebration unlike any other. You design it all, with the expertise of our dream team guiding you through every step. And when we say everything, we mean everything. All you need is a dress and a couple rings. We mean it when we say all-inclusive, whether it's an elopement or a full weekend experience. Pick your package and allow us to deliver the most incredible wedding weekend, one-day event, midweek wedding, or an elopement. Turn over the details to us and relax with the confidence that everything is going to be all right. To make your wedding dreams come true, click below on prices and packages and start chatting with our best day ever designer. She will guide you through the process of choosing your date, help you establish a realistic budget, and start designing your best day ever. Click the link below and get started.